Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another new video. In this video, I am explaining the trades and how you can predict your next candle and trade without using any indicators. So those who are new here and want to join us, the link is available in the description. Go and check it out. So let's move on to the video. Basically, in this video, we will focus on predicting the next candle. Let's see how it goes and what method I am using. Let me share it with you. Okay, I got a trade here, and I am proceeding with my trade for the downside move. Why? Because, as you can see, I have already made a video explaining that when a red candle engulfs the green one, we can proceed for the downside move. Okay, the trade is currently not going in our favor. So let me share some examples so that you can understand it better. Here, you can see that the red candle engulfed the green one, and after that, you can see a strong red candle was formed. Okay, so this is how the engulfing method works. Basically, if the market is trending, for example, if there is an uptrend, and after that you can see one candle engulfing the previous candle, you can proceed in the continuation direction. Okay, make sure that the market is trending. Only a few seconds are left now, and we won the trade. Okay, so we won this trade. This is how the engulfing method works, and this is how you can take a trade using this method. Basically, this engulfing method works best in a trending market or when 2 or 3 continuation candles have already formed. After that, if one candle engulfs the previous candle, you can proceed in the continuation direction. Okay, you may face some losing trades as well, but if you use this engulfing method with proper money management, you can find some good trading opportunities. So, I hope you understand the concept and gained some useful knowledge from this video. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any topic suggestions, you can comment down below. Till then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.